The 2014 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, CD player, MP3 player, trip computer, power windows, child safety locks, security system, passenger airbag. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.